guys, this is Sherry from Green Packages. Welcome to my channel. You can get some details about customized minor bags in my channel and make your minor bags more attractive.
Die-cut bags. Typically plastic bags with a die-cut handle offer several significant benefits over stand-up pouches or flat pouch. Prominent display area. The die-cut bags provides a large, prominent space to print your logo, brand name, or message. This branding is highly visible both when the bag is carried and when it's stored, reused. Perceived value. Receiving a sturdy, well-branded bag with a proper handle enhances the overall shopping experience and makes customers feel their purchase is valued. In summary, die-cut bags provide a winning combination of practicality, comfortable carrying, durability, powerful branding, and a premium customer experience. While they might have a slightly higher unit cost than basic plastic bags, the benefits in terms of brand perception.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information for customizing your minor bags, please don't be shy. Free to contact with me. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.